Well, 3 inches of rain between the other day and today. And yes, we're squishy. And yes, it's wet down on the other end. Let's take a walk around the wild side here. Okra's not looking too bad. Some of the corn looks like it's going to need to be straightened up, but you can't get in there right now because if you step over there, you're going to sink up to your ankle in mud. As you can see down here on this end, we have a little water. Yes, I'm squishing in water. There is no easy way around this mess. Watermelons aren't to be happy. Ants aren't too happy. They're all coming to the surface looking for a dry spot. This end of the garden is obviously not doing that good. We're going to have to figure out a way to drain this. Problem is, where do I go with it? I need a ditch to run this off to the back there, which I don't have. So it gets to the end of the rows here, and it just backs up because there's no place for it to go. So yeah, a couple of potatoes it looks like got washed up. Didn't even know there was potatoes out here. Whatever. Not mine. The peppers seem to be holding. A couple of them over there in the other row. They need straightening up, but like I said, it's going to be a while. These silly little, forget which ones these are, but they sure don't look very healthy. Jalapenos look pretty good. Those are my Tabasco peppers down there on the end. They seem to be holding. Oh, these are the hot bananas. That's right. They're not looking good. We may have to replace those little suckers. Those pepper plants don't look too good. I bought them, I forget who I bought them from. Obviously it wasn't a good choice. These are the long Thai green beans. They're happy. The eggplants are happy. Although the wind didn't do the leaves any good, they're happy. Doesn't look like bugs are getting to them. And squash looks good. And the other beans, Winnie's wanting mustard. She got mustard over there. She's got some Thai vegetables. And the basils are starting to come up.